How to field troops in Siege Machine in Clash of Clans. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to field troops and Siege Machine in Clash of Clans step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, tap on your clan castle in the home base. And after that, simply tap on request button and this will open the request reinforcement menu. You can simply tap on the pencil icon to specify the type of troops you want. And if you don't want a specific preference, you can skip this step. Now hit the send button and your request will be posted in the clan chat for your clanmates to donate troops. Any donated troops will be automatically placed in your siege machine if applicable. And keep in mind that you must be in active clan to receive reinforcements. And if you don't want to wait for donation, you can also fill your own troops into a siege machine. So to do that, simply select your clan castle and instead of requesting the troops, simply add reinforcements for yourselves as long as you have necessary troops available. Siege machine can be built in workshop which unlocks at Town Hall 12, and if you don't see them yet, you can request siege machine from your clanmates like regular troops. And that's it. Now you know how to fill troops and siege machine in your Clash of Clans. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.